They have patch in the program.
Ready to see what's inside?
Yes.
All right. Rip it open.
Hey guys.
Whoa, you got the Super Telly Clock?
Yep.
That is so dope. Let's see how it works.
One on me.
Yeah, open it there.
Let me open it.
Hey, superheroes don't sleep. Just move
I'm not
my
sleeping.
hand and I'll tell you the time.
So, Aaliyah, what this is a Super Telly Time Clock, okay?
Okay.
Just move my hand and I'll tell you the time.
Now,
I see the time.
so whenever hand you turn it to, it'll tell you the time.
6:40.
I know. I want to hear the alarm here.
We hit alarm right here.
Okay. I can use the clock. What's the call?
Look at, if I move his hand like this,
Wow, the time is 7 o'clock.
now you try it, Aaliyah.
Great. Now it's 8:05.
Cool.
How you know it's 8:05? Whenever the small hand is on the thing, that's the hour. The big hand is the minute.
Okay.
It's 8. Now, when the hand is on the 1, that means 05. It tells you on here. You want to play a game?
It's time to find the time. Move my hand. Find 11 o'clock.
How you get to 11 o'clock? No.
That is not correct.
Where does small hand have to be on?
7:50.
If he says 11 o'clock, number that the small hand got to be on. Remember I tell you about the hour. What's the hour? The hour is the first thing. What's that?
That's the hour.
Yeah, so what that says?
Don't sleep.
Oh.
But you gotta make sure, you gotta keep this going until it gets, you have to go like this. So you get that, the little hint on the 11.
Kapow! Can you find 10:45?
Keep coming. The little hint ain't on the 10 yet. You see that little hint on the 10? Then you look for 45, okay? Just keep it like this.
Awesome! Can you find 3:05?
Now you gotta put that small hand back. Now you gotta get that small hand on the hour. Which one is the hour? Yup. Now get that small hand on the 3, and then after you get that small hand on the 3, put the big hand where it says 05 at. Good job.
Way to go! Can you find 5:35?
Okay.
Kapow!
There you go. So, Aaliyah, so that's how that clock goes. What do you think of it?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yep.
What you like about the clock?
Superheroes don't sleep.
It tells.
Can you find 6:10?
No.
So what you were saying about the clock?
It tells time.
That's what you like about it?
Yeah.
Time to save the day.
All right.
Play again soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, guys.